Utilizing drone technology in the construction industry. Building surveys. Virtually any inspection of a building structure or systems will be rendered futile if the inspector is unable to see the roof. In most situations, getting up onto the roof is a difficult and time-consuming process that necessitates the use of scaffolding, ladders, or other auxiliary structures that can be potentially dangerous and expensive. Building surveying of the roof structure and gaining access to complex or hard-to-reach portions of the roof can be time-consuming and expensive, with associated health and safety issues. The normal practice calls for a set of overlapping flight strips to capture the entire roof from above. In this scenario, 100 aerial photographs are required using automated mode. The manual mode is used to create oblique aerial photographs. Topographic mapping and land surveys. Complex building projects benefit from topographical maps. Topographic maps might reveal unsuitable construction ideas. Building topographic maps can be expensive and time-consuming, despite their usefulness. Drone technology is helpful here. This reduces the cost of acquiring information and executing initiatives. Drones provide on-time, under-budget, and precise project completion. High-quality drone aerial photos can be used to create 3D models of the surface DSM or terrain DTM. Construction site inspections. Construction site inspections can benefit from drones. If you have a professional pilot, you can use the drone to spot structural or technical concerns on the building site and to inspect progress. Drone inspections save thousands on redesigns and course modifications. Drones can improve safety by eliminating the need to access potentially dangerous work areas. Thanks to advances in technology, drones can be used to evaluate a building site's adherence to a plan or model, develop 3D representations of future construction projects, and more. By visually examining high-risk areas of a construction site or newly built structure, drones save time and reduce health and safety concerns. High-definition aerial photos can be recorded and disseminated from the site cabin. Site inspections can be more frequent and thorough. 4 main benefits of drone construction inspections. Better security saves time, effort, and data. Innovative drones in construction industry. Here are some innovative ways that drones are being used in the construction industry. Thermal imaging. Drones equipped with thermal cameras can be used to detect and monitor heat loss in buildings, identify insulation defects, and detect water damage. This can help identify potential energy-saving opportunities and prevent costly repairs. LiDAR scanning. LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology, uses laser sensors to create highly accurate 3D maps and models of construction sites. This can help improve site planning, design, and construction. Autonomous drones. Autonomous drones can fly pre-programmed routes and take high-resolution images or videos of construction sites, reducing the need for manual piloting. This can save time and reduce the risk of accidents. Material delivery. Drones can be used to transport small tools, parts, and materials to remote or hard-to-reach areas of construction sites. This can save time and reduce the risk of injury associated with manual handling. Real-time monitoring. Drones equipped with sensors can be used to monitor construction sites in real time, providing insights into factors such as temperature, humidity, and air quality. This can help identify potential safety hazards and optimize construction processes. Overall, drones provide the construction industry with various innovative and useful applications. As technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for drones in construction. How drones may assist to expedite the construction process. Drones have the potential to expedite the construction process in several ways. Site inspection. Drones can quickly and easily inspect a construction site, providing high-resolution images and videos that can identify potential issues and obstacles. This information can be used to make informed decisions, such as altering the design or construction methods to avoid delays. Progress monitoring. Drones can capture aerial images and videos of the construction site at regular intervals, providing a comprehensive overview of the progress of the project. This can help project managers identify areas where work may be lagging behind and take corrective action before it becomes a major delay. Volumetric calculations. Drones can also capture data that can be used to calculate the volume of materials needed for the project, such as earthworks or concrete pours. This can help project managers order the correct amount of materials and avoid delays caused by shortages. Safety and compliance. Drones can be used to ensure that construction activities are compliant with safety regulations and environmental requirements. This can help avoid delays caused by non-compliance or legal issues. Delivery management. Drones can also be used to expedite the delivery of materials and equipment to the construction site, reducing the amount of time workers spend waiting for deliveries. Drones can significantly reduce the time required for site inspection, progress monitoring, and compliance checks, allowing construction projects to be completed faster and more efficiently. Conclusion: drones are a technological innovation in civil engineering. Because they can collect data fast and accurately while decreasing safety risks, their use in construction will rise. New technologies are cautiously implemented into construction production or workflows. Unmanned aerial vehicle technology is a cost-effective, time-saving solution that improves construction security and administration. Due to their many benefits, drones are becoming more widespread in construction. Construction firms use drones for topographic terrain mapping, building surveys, land surveys, construction site inspections, remote monitoring, progress reports, thermal image recording, and laser scanner integration. Engineers, contractors, investors, and clients may save time, money, danger, and labor with drones. I hope this video provides you with great understanding of use of drone in construction. Please feel free to like, comment, and share.